Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a WeChat account in India for free. First, install the official WeChat app from your phone's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Sign Up. You may see options such as sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook. Select any of the given options you prefer. If you want to use your Indian mobile number, choose Sign Up via mobile. Next, select India as your country and make sure the country code is set to +91. Enter your active Indian mobile phone number and create a password for your account. Make sure your phone number is correct because you may need to receive an SMS verification code. After entering your details, read the privacy policy and terms of use. If you agree with the required policies, accept them and tap Next to continue. WeChat may now ask you to complete a security verification. Follow the instructions on your screen and complete the human-computer verification puzzle. This step is used to confirm that you are a real person. Depending on your registration, WeChat may also require QR code verification. If you see a QR code, you may need another active WeChat user to scan it for you. Ask a trusted friend who already has a WeChat account to help with this step. In some cases, WeChat may require the other account to have been active for more than 1 month. After your friend scans the QR code, return to your registration screen and continue with the instructions. WeChat may then send an SMS verification code to your Indian phone number. Check your messages and enter the OTP in the app. Keep in mind that creating a WeChat account in India is not always easy. Sometimes you may not receive the OTP, or WeChat may not provide the QR code verification option. Registration can also be restricted or limited for some users in India. Following these steps may help you create an account, but it is not guaranteed that you will successfully complete the registration. Do not use unofficial methods, fake information, modified applications, or other methods that break WeChat's rules and regulations, as these can result in permanent account suspension. Thank you for watching.